Hi, my name's Marty. Welcome to this video series on building your own LPH style guitar kit from Guitar Kit World. So in the following video I'm going to show you how I put together this particular guitar, and we're going to cover all aspects of the build, including finishing, installing hardware, connecting the electronics, and then doing a final setup at the end. Now if you've never built a kit guitar yourself before or don't have a lot of tools, don't worry, I'm not particularly handy myself, but just about anyone can put together a guitar like this using basic tools and just a little bit of patience. Okay, so the guitar we're working on today is an LP style guitar. It's a semi-hollow body. We have a mahogany body and neck, a flame maple veneer top, rosewood fretboard, and trapezoid abalone inlays. Now being an LP style guitar, we also have a neck and bridge humbucker, three-way selector switch, 2 volume and 2 tone controls, and of course a tune-o-matic bridge. Okay, so from here I'm going to take the video back to the start of the build, and we're going to start by putting the guitar up on the bench and inspecting the body for any marks or scratches.